it's Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Hello, hope you subscribe and stick around for more. In today's video, we are finally moving back to platinum blonde hair and I am excited. And I'm even more excited because in this video, we are partnering with Wella COLOURCHARM. If you guys have been around for a little while now, you will know that I'm obsessed with Wella COLOURCHARM. I have used so many of their toners, T11, T14, T27, T28. There is an abundance of videos on my channel where I've literally just used all the different kinds of toners. And in today's video, we're going to be testing out the Wella T18. I can't believe I've never used this before. I mean, you saw I went for a serious platinum stage and I always use T14. But today, we are using the one, the only, the T18. We are going for the lightest ash blonde silver platinum lady look and I am living. I'm so excited to be actually going back to platinum. This is the T28 and it's faded out now. I've had it on for, I want to say about 8-ish weeks. So I'm definitely ready for a refresh. So before we even tone our hair, the first thing we need to do is bleach it because of course we need to lift the hair before we can apply the toner for the best results. So you guys can see this is my hair. Let me show you from behind. Yeah, like you can see, she's kind of frizzy. She's in need of a bit of TLC. I have done no straightening treatments, no heat treatments. I've literally just slathered my hair in oil for the past week, preparing myself mentally to bleach my hair again. So it's 1 part bleach, 4 parts developer, and I find that is the best consistency for bleach. And obviously you can see we're only going to do my roots, which are definitely crying out for some colour. Other things you'll be needing: a bowl, a hair spatula, gloves. Never underestimate how important the gloves are. So this part of the video is going to be very brief in terms of bleaching, just because I have a whole video dedicated to how to bleach your roots from home. It's a super easy, simple tutorial to follow. Honestly, if I can do it correctly, you guys are more than capable. So I feel like I've already shown you before, but I'm going to show you again. Get a good look at these roots. That's the stuff, that's what you needed to see, and obviously. So I guess we should get straight into bleaching so we can get on to toning, which is way more exciting. So here we go. Okay, so this is my new look. So I've bleached my entire scalp. So I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes before I wash it out and then we can move on to the toning process and I'm so excited. The reason why I'm briefly showing you the bleaching process is because I want you to know the level of lift you need to be before actually applying the toner to get the best results, because with the T18, I want to achieve a really bright silvery platinum and the only way to do that is to literally lift my roots as high as they can possibly go and then I can apply the T18 to the rest of my hair because it's already lifted so much. It's just got a toner over the top. It should all balance out to be the perfect color. So here's hoping. Okay, so the moment of truth. Oh yeah, that is the good stuff. That looks so good. Okay, that lifts beautiful. Okay, that gives me some serious hope. So the next job is obviously to wash all this bleach out and just shampoo it. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna shampoo my hair twice and leave it wet, ready for the toning process. And I'm gonna talk you through all the toning, everything you need to actually tone your hair. So this is super exciting, very exciting. Okay, so it looks way worse than what it is. The good news is my bleached hair is the perfect color. Look at these lovely yellow roots. I don't know if you can see because it's very sunny and now I'm living, but at the same time it's kind of like disturbing my filming process. Ideal tone for toning, so I'm super excited about that. We have literally just yellow tones. Obviously it looks a little bit more orange in the camera for some reason, but I can guarantee you it is all yellow / white. Very, very wet at the moment because we need wet hair to actually apply our toner correctly. So I'm just going to reposition you so I can show you how to use the Wella COLOURCHARM correctly and see exactly the right amount of measurement so everything goes smoothly for you as it's going to for me. So yeah, okay, so here's a before. Take it in. This is it. It's It's a lot, so yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna mix the perfect Wella COLOURCHARM toner. Starting out with our gloves. The second thing you're going to need is a bowl. I just use a regular bowl. A hair spatula to actually mix everything together. Some Wella COLOURCHARM developer. This is in volume 20. This is 107 ml. This is the perfect size for the toner that we're gonna use. And of course, we need our actual Wella COLOURCHARM T18 toner. I'm gonna start off by pouring that into the bowl, then using our COLOURCHARM cream developer. The ratio is 1 part toner, 2 parts cream developer. So this entire bottle should literally be the perfect amount. So if you do get the 107 ml bottle, it's going to fit perfectly with your toner. I'm now just going to mix all of those ingredients together. Super easy, super simple. We're going for quite a heavy, thick, whipped cream texture, almost like you've chewed up chewing gum. The perfect toner. So I'm going to switch you now so you can actually see me applying it correctly. Let me just turn down the... After you've achieved your perfectly bleached roots, the next step is to make sure that your hair is damp. Not wet, just damp enough that you can actually get the product into your hair and work it and then allow it to sit there. So let's just start applying this to our scalp. So I like to literally start on the top of my hair just because I want the most toner to be distributed here. And then I will be taking this through the rest of my hair as well because I actually want it to match, ideally. So just applying it with a spatula first. I will be going in afterwards and massaging it through the rest of my hair. I'm so proud of our roots. I'm not gonna lie about it. I feel like this is possibly the best lift I've ever got before. So I don't know, I'm feeling super chuffed about it. Oh, and you can already see, oh, hello. Has that not been focused on me this whole time? That's so annoying. But you can already see that it's already starting to turn blue, which is literally what we want right now. So proud of us for that. Okay, I'm gonna start working this into the back of my hair. If you notice, I am trying to avoid doing these parts of my hair because these bits are the most white at the moment. And I'm just avoiding putting toner there until almost the end because they just develop so quick. Then you can end up with like blue / silvery kind of tones there and it doesn't look even at all. And there is, I hate that look. The bonus as well, because it turns such a vibrant blue, you can see exactly where you've put it. Okay, going in with my fingers now because it's just a little bit easier. After bleaching your hair, there's nothing worse than trying to apply another product which is also going to burn your scalp. But I always find with the Wella toners that they just never ever burn. It literally cools my scalp. The toning part is definitely my favourite part of the whole process. I'd also say it's probably the easiest part because like I said, you can literally see where you've been. It's not a big deal, whereas bleach is kind of invisible and you're like, please, please hair gods, let that be there. Let me show you from behind what I'm doing as well. Make sure I'm getting all the underneath pieces of my hair because I wear my hair in a ponytail 90% of the time, so if I miss that, it's so obvious. Okay, I'd probably say I just need a little bit more on these side pieces. Okay, so I've only toned the top part of my hair, the freshly bleached hair, and also the part that recently had blonde hair dye on it because it's not as porous as the bottom part of my hair. So I need to make sure that I leave this on for at least 10 minutes on the top and then move on to the bottom of my hair in a bit. It's literally so dry that it absorbs anything and everything. So if I put toner on the bottom part of my hair at the same time with the top of my hair, I'm gonna end up with very silver, very blue looking hair, and I'm not about that, especially considering the top of my hair will be this very nice white silver platinum. So yeah, that's why we do it that way round. If you haven't bleached your hair before at all, you're gonna be absolutely fine. You can apply everything sort of at the same time, so it's not a problem. But yeah, so we're gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna set a little timer. Okay, so I'll be back in 10 minutes and then we'll apply it to the rest of my hair. Okay, so we're gonna do the rest of my hair. Like you can see, the color development is crazy blue right now. So just gonna apply it to the rest of my hair now, which is super exciting. So everything is gonna be the right color. Oh yeah. So if you want to, you can actually comb the toner through your hair, but I always find that it's easier just to use your fingers, and it also helps to prevent any breakage. Any leftover product, I'm literally just going to massage through the rest of my scalp again, just because I want to make sure that it's all covered evenly. the look. But here we are, all toned, all perfectly ready. So now I'm gonna put timer on for 20 minutes. I just wanna make sure that I've given everything enough time to really process into my hair. And then we'll wash a tiny bit off and just make sure that it's actually the color that we want it to be. Oh, whoa, when did that happen? Oh, there's a load of toner down my white cupboard. I don't know how long it's been there. I'm back. It has been 35 minutes. I left this on for an extra 5 minutes because I just wanted to be sure. But I'm gonna wash it off. I'm not even gonna do a tester part. I am pretty 100% certain that this is fully developed. And I feel like if I leave it on for any longer, I'm genuinely gonna end up with purple hair. So, and then I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you the final results. And I'm so excited to share my results with you guys. So, and here is the final color. It is stunning. I am so pleased with my platinum blonde hair again. Every time I dye a different color, I can never understand why I do it, because now I'm looking, I'm like, wow. So now my hair color is going to forever be Wella COLOURCHARM T18. Full stop, the end, that's it. That's my hair color forever, the end. I can't. Why would I ever go away from this? It's stunning. If you're wondering why I look differently, it's because the next day, because I, of course, as a jazz tradition, accidentally sprayed myself with water, ruined my makeup, ruined the top. I had a full-on sulk about it, so I just decided to wait till the next day to do it. So here we are, so I look a little bit like. My hair also feels super healthy. Like, look at this. Look at all of this colour shine on that. Beautiful. It just looks so healthy. I just wanted to get a good look. Like, look at these roots. Stunning. Oh, and from behind, of course, of course. You know, it's just perfect. So I am honestly beyond happy with my results. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again to Wella COLOURCHARM for partnering with us today. I am so happy and super excited about it. I mean, obviously, look at my hair results. I'm beyond happy. So here you are. This is the results, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Do you love it? Are you going to be dyeing your hair platinum blonde with the T18? Let me know. Let me know. But that's it. So love to see you. Bye.